running. I don't know what you're talking about last time.
you know how when the camera come out, everybody run. Good morning, motherfuckers. How are you? I am called my mechanic over because I still did not have a chance to go to the hardware store to get any tools. So, due to the current situation. But anyway, now I'm headed down to drop the carburetor off to the mechanic, get him to install it. So I knew it had to be the carburetor at that point, because it'll run up, and then like as soon as you get to the stop, you don't make that shit like it's nothing. That's Charles, man.
When are you gonna change the electronic?
Huh?
Why are you gonna change the point?
That's what I'm gonna do next. They was like 154. I don't have the budget for it. The round dog house?
Yeah.
I want that, and then I got the one with no holes in it, but I'm gonna keep this one because I heard they worth money. I heard. I don't know for sure, but somebody said they worth money. This little piece right here is just another part. I got to paint. I got to buy the doghouse and paint. I got the old, the new. Oh yeah, she was leaking too, huh?
Now, because I moved already.
Huh?
Now, because I moved.
Oh, just because you moved it? So the guy said he got more power with more torque with the smaller car, but he had the duals for it.
Yeah.
You said you're under 30, right? Hope you enjoy that, motherfucker. I hope you choke off the motherfucking cilantro, bitch. Where I go, somebody take it. Yeah.
You got a little creepy to love, man.
I don't like that fucking scan back. I fuck that car. Fuck that. Here's the ball.
My boy, what's going on? How you doing? Oh, Herbie.
What's going on, dog? Can I confuse you for your, what was it?
He got shower shit. Chilling, my brother, chilling.
How old are you, bro? 15, man. Nice.
Hey, might as well fucking do his diversity. He could be in the vlog, but not me.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Just real quick. That's a media upholstery guy right here. No, it's not clean. You don't clean it till it's done, huh?
Oh, yeah, that's nice, man. Look at this
That's some
shit.
comfortable seating right there.
Yeah, hell yeah. Good job, shit.
Sometimes when you're pulling the material, you can pull it too much. That's what I did right there. I gotta pull it a little too hard.
It kind of takes like a keen eye to see it.
Yeah, you won't even know once I put it in the seat. But I'll know.
interior and shit from down.
I was like, don't say that, I'll just wrap something around that motherfucker. I actually like that.
Me too. Oh God, where you drinking and shit? Yeah, I like that shit.
You watch the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just knocked out my man Tyson.
Yeah.
That's what you gotta see. Look for the tightness. See this? See how tight it is with that? You don't see no thread on this side? That means it's stitched right. Whenever you go to a car show, sometimes you see some badass cars and you see the stitching looks all fucked up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I seen.
You see the top of the car, it'll look.
Yeah.
Because they ain't doing the same thing I do. Normally I would do this. I did that on his. I'm not doing it on this one because they don't need it. But normally I would back stitch it after it's sewed up. Look, I'm gonna show you a little trick we do. It makes it even tighter than. See, I already sewed it up, right? So if you notice how it's going in a little bit more,
Yeah.
that's making it even tighter, tight. So right here, like I'll show you the difference between right here. Right here, it's tight. But see how it's kind of loose?
Yeah.
You know, you can see it loose. It's strong enough. That's good enough.
That's strong. That's good. It's
But once I sew it again, it brings it in. See that little 1/16 of an inch? It just makes the whole fucking job a little bit tighter. That's what makes the difference between you having little fucking ups and downs on your seat. See right there? See how it is? So you can see the difference how it's sewn in just a little tiny bit, and it makes it for a tighter. It makes it for a tighter ass fucking thing. See it? See on both sides how tight it is?
Yeah. Dope.
But I don't do it on everybody's car. You know what I mean? I just do it on certain cars that I know are gonna be out there like a show or something like that. Just on a normal like commercial vehicle, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna, you know, cause it's double stitched. Like right now, you see it. It's tight. You know, it's like there's no kind of play right here. You'll see a lot of times you see people, they'll leave the stitching on this side. You'll see this shit. See how the stitching looks right here? You'll see it on this side or this side. And right here, you can't see it on mine. You know what I'm saying? As much as you want to try it, you know what I mean? You ain't gonna find it. You pull it. Yeah, you can pull that shit and you're gonna find it. But a lot of motherfuckers don't do that. You know? It's just like the little details that make your work. I mean, that'll make me look better. Table, huh? Oh, we're using it back then.
Man, they some professionals. See, I wouldn't even know what to do. I'd have freaked out.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Yeah, but what I'm saying is,
It's black. You know what I'm saying? It's black. I ain't.
as long as it's black, you can't
No,
see.
I ain't tripping.
And on the other seat, all you have to do is do the bottom. That's it. The stems that hit, that both hit right here.
This nigga's in deep thought.
I know I see a damn light.
Did Michael finish the other one? The other seat, yeah. Already, homie, like, instead of getting your seat. Damn, Kenny. You sleeping right now, that way no material, nothing get in the way. Yeah. Get a little bit of sandpaper. The piece is right there. All you gotta do is scuff it a little, just enough to for the paint to get. See no piece of sandpaper right there?
Let's see, get
Hey,
my.
what's the play, baby?
What's up?
Oh, okay. Right there in the cabinet, right there.
Oh,
Open the cabinet, you see a little piece of sandpaper right there. The red dip?
oh yeah.
Oh, you got some? You want to get that thing you were cleaning with earlier? The vacuum cleaner? That way you can just let it go. I'm making you guys work, homie, because you guys want to do a video vlog.
See, this the boss. That's the boss.
Nah, I'm just the manager.
Yo, you the manager,
I'm the manager.
and that's the boss.
I'm the CFO.
CFO. He makes sure all the lights and power, the equipment, and all that good stuff is there.
I'm the one that's in charge of the GFU. I'm the one that gets to say, go fuck yourself.
this light would come in handy.
Well, I got this one.
33 by 23, but minus a quarter inch. So 22 and 3/4 by 32 and 3/4. Yes, sir. Got everything.
Yeah, baby.
You see the back's flattened out too?
Mm-hmm. That motherfucker nice. Man. That shit fly though. I don't give a fuck what anybody say. You can kiss my ass if you got a problem against it. If you feel otherwise, you can kiss my ass. I ain't saying I got the best
If you like
interior
it,
in the world.
like and subscribe.
Yes, yes, yes. Ooh.
Take it over. Oh, grease it up, man.
All right, we follow you over there. I was gonna say,